Brett Kavanaugh is making his closing argument for his nomination to the Supreme Court.
We mean no ill will.
Kavanaugh wrote an opinion editorial in the Wall Street Journal saying he might have been too emotional in his Senate testimony, but he is an even-keel judge. Just hours before that, a letter was presented to the Senate signed by thousands of law professors saying for that reason, Kavanaugh should not be confirmed to the Supreme Court. Spectrum News 13 Sharon Stone is in a newsroom with the two conflicting views of that testimony. Sharon.
Tammy, both are directed at winning over the undecided senators, especially on the eve of a key procedural vote on his nomination. Barry University Law Professor Terri is talking a lot about the Kavanaugh confirmation process as a teaching moment for her students.
It's so important that people understand it's not about guilt or innocence of the allegations. It's about his character and his fitness and his adherence to the high standards that are set for judges to sit on the court.
That's something being questioned since his testimony in front of the Judiciary Committee.
But one thing I want to try to make sure of in the future.
The nominee himself addressed it in his op-ed that reads, "I was very emotional last Thursday, more so than I have ever been. I said a few things I should not have said. I hope everyone can understand that I was there as a son, husband, and dad."
I think everybody can understand how painful responding to allegations might be for somebody and his family. But again, he's a judge. He understands the process.
The letter, supported by more than 2,400 law professors, presented to the Senate Thursday, says they should not confirm Kavanaugh because of his temperament, including partisanship.
This whole 2-week effort has been a calculated and orchestrated political hit.
The judiciary is not supposed to be a political branch of the government.
Day adds that of the three branches of federal government, the executive and legislative are political. The judicial branch is supposed to be nonpartisan. In the newsroom, Sharon Stone, Spectrum News 13.